there you go. I got my package already. Got it. So, at the back of the package, meron dito maliit na lettering. Then sabi dito with Sir Chinkee there. So, hello Iponario. Bago buksan ang inyong order, here's the guide. So, let's read it. So, first, kunin ng camera. At siguraduhin naka-charge. Oo naman. Second, videohin ang unboxing ng inyong order. So, later. Next, i-upload ito sa Facebook or Instagram. Yeah? And itag ako at Chinkee at use hashtag Kwentong Iponario. So, let's do this. Okay, here we go. Sad. But syempre, I actually already sanitized this one. But since sa loob, sanitize din natin. For safety purposes, don't forget everyone. Okay. Then, let's open crispy. So, this package is really good kasi you will just buy one book and then free na yung apat. So, saan ka pa, diba? Sulit na sulit. So, yeah. Wow. There you go. And you just need to purchase this one. Piso planner. So, I really love it. Color black. Favorite ko talaga yung color black. And if you buy this, you'll get this for. So, what's this for? May utang free diary of Pulube, my ipon diary, and my budget diary. So, let's start reading this kasi I know it will really help. I heard a lot of people reading this at talagang natulungan sila. How they will budget, how they will save their money. Alam ko, kulang din yung pera na or salary na kuha natin. But if we are guided to how we will ilalabas yung pera, makakaipon din talaga tayo. So, I recommend this guys to you all, and starting now, I will read book by book. So, I hope matapos ko siya agad para at least ma-apply na natin what stories, what learnings to this book could give to us. And in Piso Planner, syempre, start na din tayo.